Hello, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and advice for a healthier lifestyle. In today's video, we're diving into the incredible world of nutrition. Have you ever wondered how specific foods can transform your body and health? Well, today we'll be exploring 11 amazing foods that you should incorporate into your diet, and the remarkable changes they can bring about in your body. Food is not just fuel, it's a powerful tool that can shape your health in profound ways. The nutrients, vitamins, and minerals in foods have specific roles in our bodies, and by choosing the right ones, you can enhance your overall well-being. So let's explore these foods and what happens when you make them a regular part of your diet. First up, we have blueberries. These tiny berries pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which combat oxidative stress and protect your cells from damage. Regular consumption of blueberries has been linked to improved brain function and a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. The antioxidants in blueberries help lower blood pressure and reduce LDL cholesterol levels, promoting overall heart health. Incorporating a handful of blueberries into your daily diet can lead to better brain function and a healthier heart. Second on our list, let's talk about spinach. It is one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens available. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. Vitamin K in spinach plays a crucial role in bone health by aiding in calcium absorption and bone mineralization. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Adding spinach to your salads, smoothies, or meals can support your bone health and keep your eyes sharp. On our third spot, we have salmon. It is not only delicious, but also one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. These healthy fats are essential for brain health, improving cognitive function, and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Salmon is also a good source of high-quality protein, which is vital for muscle growth and repair. Consuming salmon regularly can lead to a healthier heart, improved brain function, and stronger muscles and joints. Fourth on our list is Greek yogurt. It is a fantastic food that supports digestive health and more. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut microbiome and improve digestion. It contains more protein than regular yogurt, making it a great option for muscle repair and satiety. The calcium and vitamin D in Greek yogurt support strong bones and teeth. Incorporating Greek yogurt into your diet can improve your digestion, support muscle growth, and strengthen your bones. Fifth, we have quinoa. It is a versatile and nutritious grain that offers a complete protein source. Quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source, which is rare for plant-based foods. It's high in fiber, which aids digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free, making it a great option for those with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Adding quinoa to your meals can provide a complete protein source, improve digestion, and offer a gluten-free alternative to grains. On the 6th place, we have avocado. It is a creamy fruit rich in healthy fats and other essential nutrients. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. They are packed with vitamins and minerals, including potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados can help with weight management due to their high fiber content, which promotes satiety. Including avocados in your diet can support heart health, regulate blood pressure, and help with weight management. 7th on our list, we have sweet potatoes. They are not only delicious, but also a nutritious source of carbohydrates. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, supporting vision and immune function. They are also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Sweet potatoes contain antioxidants that protect your body from free radical damage and chronic diseases. Adding sweet potatoes to your meals can enhance your vision, support digestion, and protect against chronic diseases. On our 8th place, we have almonds. They are a nutritious and convenient snack that offers numerous health benefits. Almonds are high in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and help reduce bad cholesterol levels. They are a good source of fiber, which supports digestion and helps control blood sugar levels. Almonds are loaded with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants that support overall health. Snacking on a handful of almonds can improve your heart health, aid digestion, and provide essential nutrients. On the 9th place, we have green tea. It is a powerful beverage known for its numerous health benefits. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Drinking green tea can boost your metabolism, helping with weight management and fat loss. The caffeine and amino acid L-theanine in green tea work together to improve brain function, enhancing mood, alertness, and cognitive performance. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can protect your cells, boost your metabolism, and improve your brain function. Next to the last, on our 10th place, we have broccoli. It is a nutrient-dense vegetable that should be a staple in your diet. Broccoli is high in dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. It's an excellent source of vitamins C and K, as well as folate, potassium, and iron. Broccoli contains powerful antioxidants, including sulforaphane, which have anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. Adding broccoli to your meals can enhance your digestion, provide essential nutrients, and protect against chronic diseases. And last but not the least, on our 11th place, we have dark chocolate. It is not only a delicious treat, but also offers several health benefits. Dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which protect your cells from damage. Consuming dark chocolate in moderation can improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and improving blood flow. Dark chocolate contains compounds that can boost your mood and enhance brain function. Enjoying a small piece of dark chocolate can protect your cells, improve heart health, and boost your mood. Now that we've explored these amazing foods and their benefits, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily diet. Create balanced meals that include a variety of these foods to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Plan your meals and snacks ahead of time to make sure you're including these nutrient-dense foods regularly. Try new recipes and cooking methods to keep your meals interesting and delicious. By adding these 11 amazing foods to your diet, you can transform your health in incredible ways. Remember, it's all about making informed choices and enjoying a variety of nutrient-dense foods. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel to see more health, wellness, and fitness tips.